So this is how you use a chenille cutter. It's also called a slash cutter, and it kind of looks like a rotary cutter or a pizza wheel, and it has a very sharp blade and this little guide here. And the guide is to make sure that you don't cut through all the layers of your fabric. So when you're making chenille, you want all of these little fuzzy layers, but you want the backing to be intact. You don't want to cut all the way through that. And the chenille cutter makes it very easy to do that. So you slip the little toe of the guide through the top layer of fabric, and then you slide the cutter up. And eventually, when your blade gets dull, which mine is right now because I've been making a ton of these DIY mop pads for Swiffer sweepers and similar dusting tools, you can actually just advance the blade to a new section so that you're working with a sharp area. And to do that, you loosen this screw a little bit, and you'll be able to click the blade one place forward, and then you tighten the screw again. And now you have a new sharp surface ready to go. And this particular cutter also comes with a shorter guide if you're making curves or circles, so it'll be easier to turn the corners and maneuver around. But I'm just using the straight one because the mop pads only have straight lines of fringe. And they are a ton of fun. You should definitely make your own. I have a tutorial on my blog and you should go check it out. I will put a link in the description.